Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will compare Optimum Nutrition Whey Protein Fake vs Original, which is better. Check labels first, then inspect seals and batch codes, and compare ingredient lists carefully. Smell and texture tests are simple. Mix a scoop in water, note clumping, foam, and taste differences. I will guide you through practical checks, highlight red flags, and show what to do if a product seems suspicious or underperforms. Start by comparing the nutrition label and ingredient order side by side with a trusted package. Look for missing amino acids, altered protein grams, or swapped sweeteners that change taste and effects. Check packaging quality, holograms, and batch code locations. Authentic products follow strict printing standards. Finally, test mixability with a shaker for clumps and foam. Genuine whey usually dissolves smoother and tastes consistent with brand expectations. If you like this breakdown, please subscribe and hit like. It really helps the channel. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that keep protein shakes and snacks sealed during travel. They save time, prevent spills, and fit neatly in gym bags or work lunches. Check the description for the product link and other deals if you want one, and now let's get back to the video. When assessing performance, focus on protein grams per scoop and amino acid profile for muscle recovery. Track results over weeks rather than a single session, since consistent protein intake matters most. Consider cost per gram of protein, not just jar price, to evaluate true value. If taste or mixability differs significantly, that can affect adherence and long-term use, so choose authenticity for predictable nutrition and training outcomes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.